Check these off as you add them to the map. Shinano River, Yalu River, Taedong River, Han River, Philippine Sea, Sea of Japan, Sea of Okhotsk, Pacific Ocean, Yellow Sea, Honshu, Hokkaido, Kyushu, Shikoku, Mount Fuji, Korean Peninsula. How wide is Japan at 40 degrees north? Blank miles. How wide is Korea at 40 degrees north? Blank miles. Letter E, map questions. On the map above, what does the dotted line represent? Number 2, what is the distance from the mouth of the Taedong River to the mouth of the Han River? Letter 3, what is the distance from point A to Mount Fuji? Number 4, Kyushu is northeast, southeast, northwest, or southwest of Shikoku. Number 5, Hokkaido is northeast, southeast, northwest, southwest of Korea. Number 6, which is the best estimate for the absolute location of the Shinano River's mouth? 37 degrees north, 138 degrees east, or 43 degrees north, 142 degrees east. Number 7, estimate the absolute location of Shikoku. Number 8, estimate the absolute location of point A. Number 9, use a range of numbers to describe the absolute location of the entire nation of Japan. Number 10, write a complete sentence to describe the relative location of Sakhalin Island. And number 11, explain what is meant by the phrase climatic variety in the first paragraph.